Good morning guys. So we are gonna take a test ride for Ultraviolette X47 today. I have already tried this vehicle and my highest speed is 148, which I have crossed in this vehicle. This EV comes with 3 modes. One is glide, which is here. Another one is combat, it shows in blue. And the third one is ballistic. Super heavy. So in glide mode you can go around 80 km speed, that's the max. So in combat mode the highest speed is 100 or 110 around, and in ballistic the highest speed is 145, which is company claimed. But me, I have rode like around 149, 148. It's a lovely morning sitting in my... They are my friends. They are helping me make this vlog. Let me show you how the dog is in balance. Adventure bikes, they will love this vehicle.